I'm Franklin, and this is a Soapbox TV car. Oh, shit.
Any last wishes, sir?
This is gonna be the fucking thing I go down the hill on. I don't know. I think I'm ready.
Yeah,
Let's do it.
The wheel's broken on it.
Look at this dumb fucker playing in traffic. I can't believe these people stopped. This fat fuck. Stupid fat fuck. What do you have to say about that fat ass?
Stupid!